इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 हिस्ट्री का उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो पहला वाला है कि आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 10 to 20 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट वाला है नेम 3 प्रोमिनेंट सुल्तान्स ऑफ स्लेव डायनेस्टी। इसका आंसर है द 3 प्रोमिनेंट सुल्तान्स ऑफ द स्लेव डायनेस्टी आर कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, शामसुद्दीन इल्तुमिश, गियासुद्दीन बलबन। सेकेंड है व्हाट वर द चलगान्स। तो इसका आंसर है द चलगान्स वर अ बोर्ड ऑफ 14 nobles appointed by Iltutmish of the slave dynasty. They were very powerful and were well known to the Sultan. थर्ड है नेम द 5 डायनेस्टी ऑफ द दिल्ली सल्तनत। आंसर है अर्ली टर्किश रूलर्स 1206 to 1290, खलजी डायनेस्टी 1290 to 1320, तुगलक डायनेस्टी 1320 to 1414, सैयद डायनेस्टी टू 1414 to 1451, लोधी डायनेस्टी 1451 to 1526। फोर्थ वाला है हु वर मुक्तीज। इसका आंसर है द मिलिट्री कमांडर्स हु वर अपॉइंटेड एज गवर्नर्स ऑफ टेरिटरीज ऑफ वेराइंग साइजेस और लैंड होल्डर्स ऑफ इक्ता वर नोन एज मुक्ति। देयर ड्यूटी वॉज टू लीड मिलिट्री कैंपेन्स एंड मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इन देयर इक्तास। फिफ्थ वाला है वॉट आर गैरिसन टाउन्स। आंसर है गैरिसन टाउन इज अ कॉमन एक्सप्रेशन फॉर एनी टाउन that has a military base nearby. A town fortified with a settlement of soldiers was known as garrison town. E वाला है answer the following questions in 50 to 70 words. First वाला है why was the increase in land tax imposed by Muhammad bin Tughlaq ill-timed? तो यहाँ पर इसका आंसर है he increased the tax in Doab area which was very fertile. It was the area located between the Ganga and Yamuna rivers. The tax was increased at the time when monsoons failed and agriculture failed miserably. This led to famine and death of several farmers. Second है what steps did Alauddin Khilji take to discourage corruption? इसका आंसर है steps taken by Alauddin Khilji to control corruption. Muktis were appointed to lead military campaigns and maintain law and order in their iqtas. They collected the revenues of their assignments as salary. Muktis were controlled by not allowing them inheritable positions or assigning them iqtas for a short period of time. Accountants were appointed by the state to check the amount of revenue collected by the Muktis. Care was taken that the Mukti collected only the taxes prescribed by the state and that he kept the required number of soldiers. Alauddin Khilji brought the assignment and collection of land revenue under its own control. The rights of the local chieftains to levy taxes were cancelled and they were also forced to pay taxes. The administrators measured the land and kept careful accounts. There were 3 types of taxes. First, on cultivation called kharaj and amounting to about 50% of the peasants' produce. Second, on cattle and on houses. Why did the Delhi Sultanate disintegrate after the Tughlaqs? इसका आंसर है causes of the disintegration of the Tughlaq dynasty. 5 failed plans of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, namely no definite law of succession, autocratic rulers, no efforts to win over the Hindus, unwieldy empire, poor financial position, paucity of able and faithful commanders and advisors, selfishness of the amirs. Why was Iltutmish's daughter removed from the throne? Answer है Razia Sultan was removed from the throne in 1240 CE because people during the age were not comfortable having a queen as a ruler. They regarded women to be inferior to men and hence not fit to rule over the people. Also, the nobles were not happy at her attempts to rule independently. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq drop the idea of developing Daulatabad as a second or alternative capital? इसका आंसर है by the time people reached Daulatabad, Muhammad bin Tughlaq changed his mind and decided to abandon the new capital and move to his old capital Delhi because he realized that it was difficult to control South India from Delhi. It was equally difficult to control Delhi while sitting in Daulatabad. It is believed that he wished to shift the capital as a safeguard measure from Mongol. अब F वाला है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 80 to 100 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट वाला है डिस्क्राइब अलाउद्दीन खिलजीज रूल विद स्पेशल मेंशन टू मार्केट रिफॉर्म्स एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. आंसर है द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द सल्तनत अंडर अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. An Ekta or Mukti was appointed to collect the land revenue. He relied on the Ekta system of administration. He ensured that the offices were not hereditary. Officials were transferred frequently so that they had minimal social and political connection with the public. Initially, Haraj was kept at 1/6 of the produce, but he raised it to the 50%. He also imposed taxes on cattle and houses to increase his tax base, which ultimately was used to maintain a huge army. Prices of all commodities were fixed to keep track of the market prices. A special offer or Shahanaha-e-Mandi was appointed. Thus, we can say that Alauddin was a far-sighted economic policy maker. He took every possible measure to increase the revenue of his kingdom. Identify the reasons for the failure of Muhammad bin Tughlaq's projects. Answer the reasons for the failure of Muhammad bin Tughlaq's project are as follows. The timing of the implementation of his administrative policies were very wrong. For example, he raised land taxes in the Doab region to 50% of the produce. At the time when the area was under the grip of famine, people were unable to make payments, which led to a revolt. He transferred his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad to control the south and north India. But later he realized that it was difficult to manage the northern part of his kingdom from Daulatabad, a city located in the extreme south. Muhammad Tughlaq introduced token currency called the Tanka, but this experiment proved to be a big failure. Over the time, the silver currency was replaced by forged homemade coins. This resulted into a monetary loss. Why were nobles unhappy with Iltutmish's choice of successor? Write a short note on Razia Sultan. The main reason nobles were unhappy with Iltutmish as he did not find any of his sons capable of running the throne. He thought they were unworthy of it. Hence he decided to give it to his daughter Razia and named a successor regardless of the position. Razia Sultan was the first Muslim female ruler. She ruled in Delhi from 1236 to 1240. As the Sultan herself, it was a title never before bestowed on a woman, a position of power never before attained by a woman. She was the fifth Mamluk Sultan, one of the few female sovereigns ever in the entire history of Islamic civilizations across the world. Razia, it is believed, had refused to be addressed as Sultan as per her gender, as that word meant wife or mistress of a sultan, but claimed the title Sultan as she herself was the premier.